जन्म हरि भक्त कहानी।
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधारि। वरनौ रघुबर विमल जस जोदायक फल चारि। बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरौ पवन कुमार। भवन मंगल हारी जपहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।
हरता जय जय हनुमंता कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा।
मंगल भवन मंगल हारी जपहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।
हरता जय जय हनुमंता हरता बलबीरा।
मंगल भवन मंगल हारी जपहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।
हरता जय जय हनुमंता हृदय बसव सुख भूप सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। पवन सुत
Actually, we started our school with a vision that we have to give holistic development to all the students. And for the last 3 years, we are doing the same. Now, the positive amendments that we have made are that we are going to have French language as a compulsory language for the full time now in our school from classes 1 to 10. As Anup sir already told you that we have one more feather in our cap, that is we are CBSE affiliated. Now in this session our 10th class will be sitting for the board exams for the first time. The next amendment that we have made is that we used to give them yoga classes, Surya Namaskar classes. Now we have introduced meditation program for them. In thrice or twice a week they are going to have meditation classes. They will come to know how to connect with the oneself. Actually, when a baby is born, he is in a state of complete ecstasy. And what is the reason that that blissful state goes off? Have you ever thought about it? I think the reason is the stress and the pressure that they get in school as well as at their home. We have tried our level best to make them stress-free, and for that we have the agenda, like we do not have exam system from class playway to 2. They simply have assessments, weekly assessments, and on the basis of their assessments they are being rewarded. They do not have any rank system. So for us, all the students are unique in themselves. Today we were running short of time. That was the reason we could not explain the awards to you. We have divided the awards in 2 categories, that is scholastic and co-scholastic. Scholastic goes for the academic part. We have the top scorer in that. The whole marks for full of the session have been added up, and then they have been graded, given the grades. There is no rank system, there is no percentage. So they don't have to rush for the percentage. They are much more away from it. Second category was co-scholastic. In that we have the awards for art and craft, dance and sports. We divided those sports in different categories, like playway and LKG. In both the classes we'll be having 3 students, the best ones. Fine. It goes for sports as well as art and craft the same way. We have this time one new award, and the name is Versatile Trooper. It is the award given to the student, those who were consistently performing very good in academics as well as the art and craft and sports section. It may be any 2 sections out of the 3 co-curricular activities. We have the program of giving PTMs on every month. At the end of the month we are having PTMs. We used to give you performance reviews. I think all of you know about it. This is one platform when I can address all of you together. I really feel great talking to you, all of you together. So in performance review, we used to give the consistent performance grading of the child. Like if he has performed good in April, you will be getting the assessment of it. Then in the month of May, then in July like this. Now this time we are going to have one counselor, full-time counselor, who is going to counsel the student for the same. If his grades are consistently low, then he will be counseled. Actually, counsel plays a vital role in one's life. Even we, the adults, also require counseling. And we are also going to have one mobile app through which you will be getting all the information, all the notifications from the school side. So these are the positive amendments that we have made. I really hope the very best this time. One request I have from all of you, please attend PTMs, because in PTMs you get to know all the performances of the students, as well as your suggestions and your complaints help us a lot in improving on the areas of our opportunity. So I really wish you all the very best for the new session. Thank you so much. Pranipat.